My father's brother was married, and he had at least four kids, and I'm also, in my family was also four kids. I had an older sister, an older brother, and I was in the middle, and I had a younger brother, and it's just that myself and my younger brother survived the war. My father, Oliver Schulem, he got a contractor to build a house, and they built a one-room house with a little. It was just a front porch, and the beds were put around on the outside walls, and he had this workshop by the window, and in the middle we had a potbelly stove, and we used to get our wood and chips from a factory that in our town. We used to get the sawdust and burn that stuff. That's how we kept warm. And we had we also lived. There was also a running brook going through, not too far from the house was built, about maybe 10, 15 feet away from the brook. And we had ducks and we had chickens. And the ducks used to come into our porch, and that's where they would roost during the night. But the chickens, we had a ladder, and they would somehow they got to know how to get up on the right into the attic, and in the morning they would fly down, and they were roaming around our neighborhood.